Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Sai Assignment Solution. And today we are going to do one more question related to our recursion. And the question name is birthday gift. And you know that my name is Mandeep Prahar. And today let's start this question and see what he said to us. So in this question, they give us two string. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, then we need to return two things, angry or not angry. If string or both string are equal, then we return angry. If both string are not equal, then we return not angry. Okay, and we also, you can see both are equal, then we return angry. So that you can see at here, we see a capital A, but at here you can see a lower capital A. So both are so still you can see both are equal. Means it doesn't matter it is in capital or not capital. Okay, so we will be convert or the capital word in lowercase, and we will match it. So how we can solve this question? So first of all, we started from at here. Okay, I and I also. If both are equal, then okay. If both are not equal, we return false. And whenever our result is false, we print angry, no, not angry. Okay. If now you can see both are equal, again we can see both are equal, again we can see both are equal, again we can see both are equal. If both are equal and we are at the end of the string, means at the what is the length of the string is 4. Length of the string is 4. If our I, both are I, okay, both are index. If both are equal to 4 and at here I also equal to 4, that means our string are equal. Okay, and you can see if what happen is the length of this string is 5. At the starting we can see yeah, the string of first one is 4, length 4, and others and next string length have 5. So we return false because we can see they never can be equal. Okay, so now you can see what is our base case and how we will be solve this question. So first thing is like that we will be check length is equal or not. If it is not equal, so we return false. First thing done. Okay, then the next thing is like that what is our base case is whenever we reach at the end of the string, okay, and our index value equal to both length, means length of first string and length of second string. Okay, so then we will return true because now we traverse all the string and our yeah, we can see. So after that both our string are equal. And the another thing you can see our first index at here and at here we match both. If both are not equal, so then we return false, else it is true. So that's thing we are going to do in this question. So now go to our coding part and you will be understand better what we are going to do. Okay, so yeah. So first one is our input part. Input part is like that. We take first we take test case. This one is the test case. Then we take two string s1 and s2. Okay. Then I take a boolean is equal and r string equal s1, s2 and 0. 0 is the initial value of our index. Okay. And s2 and s1 are the both string. This one and this one. And if it is written true, so then we return angry. If it is written false, then we return not angry. So now go to this function. So in this function, you can see we take string 1, string 2 and index. Okay. So in the first case, this one is our base case. Okay. We will be see later how this is coming. I also explained you. In this question, you can see if index of the s length and index of the s2 length. So what he said to us means we have a string like AB, A and B, and another string A, B, and C. And you will be see both are matched, okay, both are matched, okay. But now you can see we are at the end of this string, means index equal to s dot length. But at here you can see our index is not equal to s dot length, because at here index is 2. So means we return false, because now we can see the length of the string are not equal. Okay. So at here you can check the if the length are different, the string are not equal. So at here we are doing this, and at the now you can see character 1 and character 2. First we change our character into lowercase if it is not in lowercase. Then we check our first character, string 1 character, then string 2 character. At here you can see first we check A and A. If both are not equal, we return false. Okay, we return false. If both are equal, so then what we will do? String 1, string 2, and we will increase our index, means index come at here. Okay, index come at here. So then after then we call again this function. So again we go at here. But now the index value is 1. Okay, then we again check it, this thing at here we again check. Now you can see again both are equal, and then again you can see again we increase our index become now 2. Again we go at here, now index value is 2. Again we go through this function, and now you can see index is equal to s dot length. Okay, at here index is 2, which one equal to the length of the s1. So we will return false, because we have still character left into our second string. So both our string are not equal. But if this one is not here, means the length of first string is also 2 and length of second string is also 2. So then it will become our base case. If we have completed all the character of the both string, okay, one second, both string, then it will be written true. Okay, because now we have checked all the character of the our string, and now we are index equal to a length of the our string, then we will return true. So it will return true, else it return false. If now all thing I think all things are clear. Yeah, so that's all in this question. And yeah, if you like it, then please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you. If you have any doubt, then you please comment out on my video, and please like my video also. So thank you. Bye bye.